We are in sunny Crete in Greece.
And we're here for the annual GitLab Summit
with about 250 people.
It is an amazing experience to bring the whole team together.
It's a time for us to bond and get to know each other on a personal level.
This is a very good occasion to meet in person a lot of people and to create a sort of personal relationship.
I love meeting all the people, and the new people who have joined GitLab, to welcome them in and talk to them and see what drew them to GitLab.
How would you describe GitLab in 5 words?
5 words to describe GitLab.
5 words.
I don't know if I could do that.
GitLab is transparent,
Unique.
Cutting edge.
Liberating.
GitLab is one of these things that can be hard to describe because people want to put us into one box.
It's not your traditional company.
GitLab is software to build software.
We help developers develop software faster, but even then that box is too small.
We're making something that's used by millions of people, that people are very passionate about, with a team of hundreds of people around the world. I think that's amazing. The first thing that drew me to GitLab was the open source side of the project.
Going through the handbook, going through the open issues that would be private in any other company, but they were open, and I understood more about the company before I even started working at GitLab.
I've never worked at a company that's so direct and transparent. I definitely think it allows us to get more done quickly.
If you have an idea, it'll be heard and people will listen.
I've never worked in a company that had such a wide range of skill sets when it comes to the different departments, when it comes to different cultures and ways to view things.
Not only are we working on a cutting edge product, we are also kind of defining how to work remotely and do it really well.
The thing about remote work is you're truly flexible. So you can live a normal life and work just becomes part of that life. And you're not living to work anymore.
I do my job from home and I talk to people virtually. I get to spend more time with my family.
I can go to the doctor, I can get a haircut.
I get to take my kids to school, pick them up from school.
I have the power over my day to do what I need to do.
The most challenging thing working for GitLab is probably working for GitLab itself.
At the same time, it's the fun part of it because I get to fix a lot of things.
It forces you to also get out of your comfort zone and go do different things and new things.
In my role as a support engineer, I see things that are new to me on a daily basis. But with that challenge, I think comes a lot of growth and a lot of excitement.
Most companies have values and so does GitLab, but GitLab actually practices them. It really takes care of you as an employee and you feel valued and respected.
It is so insanely unique.
It's something that I've never seen anywhere else.
It's unlike any other workplace.
I think this is the future of work lifestyle.
GitLab is my amazing workplace.